Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you a simple and smart way to divide AC mains voltage using capacitors. The input is 220 volts AC from the mains. Our goal is to split this voltage into two equal parts and get about 110 volts AC. I used two 470 nanofarad 400 volt polyester capacitors connected in series. One end is connected to phase and the other end to neutral. In AC circuits, capacitors have capacitive reactance. When two identical capacitors are in series, the AC voltage divides equally across them. Capacitive reactance is calculated as because both capacitors have the same value, their reactance is equal, so the voltage is divided 50-50. Each capacitor has a 270 kiloohm half-watt resistor connected in parallel. These resistors help balance the voltage and safely discharge the capacitors when the power is turned off. When we measure the voltage across the full series connection, we get 220 volts AC. If we measure between the center point and either side, the voltage is about 110 volts AC. The maximum current in this circuit is limited by the capacitive reactance. For a 470 nanofarad capacitor at 50 Hz, the current is only a few tens of milliamps.